In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a large banner in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the right dimensions so your banner looks crisp, prints correctly, and fits the space you have in mind. Start on the Canva main dashboard. From here, click the Create button at the top left, then choose Custom Size. Before entering anything, change the units to inches. Inches are easier to visualize for print because most print shops use them, and they translate cleanly to feet. For example, 24 inches equals 2 feet, 36 inches equals 3 feet, and so on. That makes it simple to picture how your banner will sit on a table, hang on a wall, or span across a booth. As a quick orientation tip, a wider width than height gives you a landscape banner, while a taller height than width gives you a portrait banner. Now, let's talk about sizes you can input into the width and height fields. If you need something for a smaller space or indoor use, popular choices include 2 feet by 4 feet, which is 24 by 48 inches, and 2 feet by 6 feet, or 24 by 72 inches. These work well for shelf talkers and close-up messaging. A versatile, go-to option is 3 feet by 6 feet, or 36 by 72 inches, which is great for events, storefronts, and tables. For large outdoor visibility, try 4 feet by 8 feet, or 48 by 96 inches, or even 4 feet by 10 feet, which is 48 by 120 inches. These are perfect for fairs, parking lots, or construction sites where people view your banner from a distance. Specialty sizes are also common. Retractable banners are often 33 by 80 inches for trade shows, and pole banners for streetlights can be around 18 by 36 inches. Once you've entered the exact width and height in inches, click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas at that size, ready for you to design. A few quick tips as you plan. Think about how far away your audience will stand. The farther the distance, the larger your text and key graphics need to be. Keep important elements a bit away from the edges to avoid accidental trimming during printing, and extend background colors or images fully to the edges for a clean finish. Use high-resolution photos and vector logos so everything stays sharp at large sizes. If you're working with a print shop, ask about bleed and preferred file formats so your export settings match their requirements. That's it. You've created a correctly sized banner in Canva, and you're ready to design with confidence.